Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, the sample space consists of integers from 1 to 2n which are assigned probabilities proportional to their logarithms. Then the conditional probability of the integer 2 given that an even integer occurs is. So the required probability is probability x is equal to 2 by probability x is even, or log 2 by log 2 plus log 4 and so on up to log 2n, which is equal to log 2 by log 2 into 4 and so on up to 2n, that is log 2 by log 2 to the power n into n factorial, that is log 2 by n log 2 plus log n factorial. So the correct option is option C. Now, this is a data interpretation question. The distribution of students in different courses and faculty at a premier institute is given as in the table below. Use this information to answer the questions 33 and 34 that follow. So this is the faculty, whether it is engineering or non-engineering. We have the number of girls and boys for both, and we have the different courses: business management, computers, finance, and others. So now moving on to the next question, that is question 33. If 60% of the boys and 70% of the girls pass the courses taken by them, then what is the combined pass percentage? Now the total number of students is equal to 1512. This you'll get from the previous page on which the data was there. So 60% of the boys passed, so 60% into 902 plus 320, and 70% of the girls passed, so 70% into 170 plus 120, and this total you get to be 936. So combined pass percentage is equal to 936 by 1512, that is approximately 62%. So option B is the correct answer. Then the next question is, the percentage of girl engineers doing business management is. So the required percentage is equal to 50 by 170 is equal to 29.4%. So option D, none of these is the answer. Now this is also a data interpretation question. The following graph shows the trend of consumption of metals and plastics in the production of cars between 2007 to 2012. Consider the graph and answer questions 35 and 36 based on that. So moving on to question 35. The ratio of the highest total consumption of the two items taken together in any single year to the lowest total consumption in any single year was equal to. Now the extremes occur in 2010 and 2008. So ratio is equal to 60 plus 50 by 40 plus 20, that is 11 by 6. And what is the highest percentage by which the consumption of metal has exceeded the consumption of plastics in any year during 2007 to 2012? The steepest percentage difference occurred in 2009 when it was 50 minus 40 by 40, that is 25%. So option C is the correct answer.